How to log out of Mobile Legends account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out Mobile Legends account from your device. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, once on your game on the home interface, what you want to do is you want to head into your account profile. Now, once on your profile, you want to simply head into the accounts option. At the left hand side you can see list of options, right? Simply head into account, and under account now at the right hand side you can see account security rating, and below it you can see account center option. Simply select the account center option, tap on it, and now here under manage account you can see manage account and account security. Under account security you can see the option that says device management, right? Simply tap on device management, and now here you'll be able to see all the devices that you're logged in on. Simply tap on logout on the particular device that you wish to log out from. If you are using this device, suppose I'm on Samsung device right now, so if I tap on logout, my account will get logged out from this device. Similarly, if you want to log it out from another device that my account is logged in on, you can see Huawei phone, so if I tap on logout, it'll get logged out from that particular device. And if I wish to log out, or if you wish to log out from every single device your account is logged in on, you can simply tap on logout all and it'll get logged out from every single device. So this way you can log out Mobile Legends account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.